Hi, my name is George Grinton, and I am with the City of Aiken, which is located in South Carolina. I would like to tell you about the project proposal for the National Conservation Foundation Conservation District Award. Behind me is the future City of Aiken Administration Finance Building. The building was originally a bank constructed in 1968, and for the last 6 years it has remained vacant in Aiken's downtown area. Last year, the city bought the building, and we are in the process of repurposing the building to supply much needed office spaces for the city and to improve the appearance of the downtown area. One of the needs for the renovation was to replace the old 1968 heating and air conditioning equipment with modern energy efficient equipment. We chose to install individual room HVAC cassettes. These units provide excellent individual room temperature control and are more efficient than traditional zone HVAC units. A feature of these units is that condensate generated during the summer months is collected and discharged to a central point. In our case, it is the side of the building. This then presents us with a choice. Normally, the condensate water is discharged into a nearby water sewer line. In this area of the city, the condensate water would join all the stormwater collected in the downtown area and would flow to be discharged into the Hitchcock Woods. Hitchcock Woods in Aiken happens to be the largest urban forest in the nation, and it is a real treasure for Aiken and the surrounding areas. Unfortunately, the result of years of a large volume of stormwater being discharged into the woods has been significant erosion of the outflow channel. It is now at the point where we must restrict access to the area of the woods for safety reasons. The City of Aiken has taken steps to reduce the flow of stormwater flowing into Hitchcock Woods. In 2010, the city reconfigured the Park Avenue Parkway medians to capture and treat stormwater, eliminating it from being discharged into the woods. As part of the renovation of the Administration Finance Building, the city removed the old bank drive-through building and replaced the asphalt parking lot with pervious asphalt to allow rainwater falling on the parking lot to be absorbed into the ground rather than be directed to a storm sewer drain and off to Hitchcock Woods. Following these sound green principles, this brings us to the other choice I mentioned earlier, and is where our project proposal comes in. We want to prevent the condensate water from going into the storm sewer system that discharges into the Hitchcock Woods by repurposing the condensate water for use in the irrigation of the landscaping in the front of the new admin. Our project proposes to collect the condensate water in a commercially available above-ground cistern tank and pumping system and connect it to the landscape irrigation system in the front of the building. The existing pop-up sprinkler system will be converted to a drip irrigation system which will improve the efficiency of water use in the landscaping. All of this can be accomplished prior to the summer months when the HVAC system will begin to generate condensate water. The typical use of a tank collection system we propose to install is in rain harvesting. The City of Aiken has not tried to implement any rain harvesting systems to date. We are interested in trying a system so we can understand and evaluate how they work. The city has several opportunities over the next few years to construct new facilities for the citizens of the city, which we have already identified in our capital plan. Our desire is to include as many green infrastructure elements into these buildings as feasible, and our proposal for the grant will help us learn the practical concerns with rain harvesting and rain gardens. Thank you for the opportunity to apply for the National Conservation Foundation Conservation District Award Program. We hope that you will select our project. We are anxious to get started.